Tottenham Hotspur Stadium, London, UK. Tottenham Hotspur Stadium is a groundbreaking example of modern stadium design, embodying the perfect marriage of technology and fan experience. One of its most notable innovations is the world's first retractable pitch, which allows for quick transitions between hosting football matches and NFL games. This ensures year-round usage and makes it a multi-purpose venue like no other. Fans are treated to a unique viewing experience with the South Stand, the largest single-tier stand in Europe, creating a wall of sound and an unparalleled atmosphere. The stadium also boasts incredible technological advancements. The retractable pitch sits above an artificial turf surface that caters to NFL games and concerts, ensuring the stadium's continuous use without affecting the natural grass field. Additionally, the stadium is equipped with state-of-the-art digital screens, LED lighting systems, and high-speed Wi-Fi, making it one of the most connected stadiums in the world. The microbrewery and its automated beer pumps serve drinks at a remarkable speed, enhancing the matchday experience. In terms of sustainability, the stadium integrates eco-friendly practices like rainwater harvesting, waste management, and energy-efficient LED lights to minimize its environmental impact. The roof is designed to amplify sound within the stadium, further enhancing the fan experience. With a capacity of over 62,000, Tottenham Hotspur Stadium has redefined what a multi-purpose sports venue can be, setting a new global standard for stadium architecture and fan-centric design.